how to set the voice memos to be named with the location where they are recorded on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now in here, tap on Location Services in the Privacy section. And then we go down and tap on Voice Memos. Now if you want to allow voice memo to be named with the location where they are recorded, then you choose while using the app. And that's it. Now tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.